Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore the command line at the bottom of the work area, right where my cursor is, right? So you press Control 9 and you'll get back the command line, right? I'm going to delete it and then show another way you can get it. So Control 9 will bring it back if you close it, right? Here it says Control 9. Yes. All right. You can also get back the command prompt, the command line by typing back command line, enter, and there it comes back, right? So in today's video, I showed you how to close the command line and restore it. You can restore it by two ways. You can type Control 9 to close it. You can press is X, and then to get it back, you can press Control 9. There it is. Or I'm going to delete it again. Or you can just type the word command line and you'll get it back. There it is. So in today's video, we looked at how to close the command line and restore the command line. All right. So thanks for watching. And in the next video, we'll be looking at how we copy diagrams or objects in AutoCAD. All right. Thanks for joining. Bye. If you found the information useful, then perhaps you could subscribe, press the notification bell, click the like button, share and subscribe, and or comment.